Hey, what's up, everybody? Here, Ivan gonna do this video on BlackHat World, what, BlackHat World. I don't want to say it because I don't want to get in trouble. BlackHat. Um, it's gonna be a sample video, how I get out of tools, free softwares online. So take notes. I used to do this before, in 2000, I don't know, 13. I used to do it, but after MLM business canceled my account, I decided to do BlackHat. It's awesome. It's awesome. I've been killing it, driving a lot of traffic on lead generation softwares. So bear with me. Like, I have access to all this softwares. JB means group buys. The owner is selling it for a low price. Usually they cost like $100, but he's getting it for $10, $5, $20. I don't know. All depends on the software. But they work and everything. It's a little bit tricky to know all about this. For me, it's easy to understand and everything. But if you're new, you're gonna have some complications and all that. The site is right here, omo.net. But you gotta know about softwares. If you don't know about softwares, you're gonna get confused, you're gonna get pissed because sometimes some softwares don't work and this and that. So I suggest, and to be honest, the vendor, he doesn't care. He doesn't care. You send him a message or whatever, I'm having issues with this. Oh, okay, whatever, update it. I'm gonna update it, but he never responds back. So you gotta do what I do, I know about software, so I know which one to download, which is gonna work for me. Like this one, I'm interested in what is up app. What is that? This is from Facebook too. Mark Zuckerberg is the owner of this. A lot of people on this. A lot of people have. I was more focused on Skype, but this one they saying that it works worldwide and everything. Even though you don't have internet connection, it works. Skype, you gotta have internet connection, so it's better this one. That's what I heard. A lot of people from third world countries, hey, you have WhatsApp, I think, and I say no. What's that? I have Skype. Oh, okay, it's free. This is free service. Even though you don't have internet, that's what I heard. So I'm trying to send a lot of bug messages like this one. Just put the numbers right here. I'm trying to figure out how it works and everything on WhatsApp. So just put the numbers right here and blast it. You can send like 1,000,000 a day. 1,000,000. You don't have to worry about SMS blasting. You don't have to worry about that because right here in the States, they have policies and everything. But right here is something different. It works worldwide, global. So you don't have to worry about that kind of shit right here in the States. No, that nonsense. I hate the States because it's always complaining about something. So yeah, I have access to all this. Oh, you can go right here, SEO clerks. Just notice right here, there's like a middle finger. But yeah, usually I purchase sometimes on this, like this one. Which one I purchase? Like this one. Yeah, this one. It works. So you can rank your website in front of Google fast with keywords and everything. This one. Usually I just run it on my, I don't know if you can see the back on my head, my PC. I just run it autopilot. Like this one, search. That's why I've been ranking a lot on Google. Is this one. How much it cost me? I don't even recall. I already have it right here. It's called, what's it called? What the hell? Just click on CTLL. Fine. It's called Google Search. Yeah, it's right here. The bot. I could get it for free too, but sometimes it's kind of difficult right here almost to crack it. So right here is more easier to give you the access to everything like very fast. But I have access to a lot of tools. Like I don't know what's your niche. If you wanna, it's usually I'm more focused on SEO, backlinkings, and all that good stuff. So this software, I have it right here. Search, Google search bot. I don't know, to tell the truth, if you want to do I don't know how to do it on my laptop. To be honest, I just have it running on the back end over there on the computer. Just put your keywords and everything, campaign, domain name. Usually the keywords that you want to rank it, like if you're in the health business, just put health, health, oh, what's the other one? Health, lose weight. You gotta put your own keywords. It works. I've been ranking a lot on Google. Let's go on Google. Usually I just promote on CPA marketing or whatever. CPA. This is my training site. I'm gonna show you a trick that nobody is gonna teach you. Like this is my site right here in front. But if you wanna rank it, scale it up, just put right here slashes. Slash it like CPA marketing training. Slashes is a lot of people, they just tell to download this software and that's it. But put this slashes. You want to really scale it up. That's why I don't do a lot of. I have a lot of like this one. I like this one. Cura. I'm gonna do a bit about that. How you can rank it. Cura is very popular online, but yeah, a lot of people get misled. They always say, "Hey, when you type like health review." I got keywords everywhere. This one, where's it? Keyword is, where is it? Yeah, this one. Keywords everywhere. Download this free app from Google Chrome. It's called Keyword Everywhere. And it tells you all the stats on that keyword, like health, review, doctors, how much people are searching online on that niche. So yeah, this software, it works. Because I've been seeing my websites from the Google. You wanna, right here in SEO Clerks is more advanced than Fiverr. They have a lot of tools. Usually I use SEO Clerks for ranking my pages and everything. But yeah, it's up to you. Some you gotta, some vendors are not like they were saying that it will rank you very fast your website, but mostly like 80% they will rank it on SEO. So check this site too, omo.com. It costs like $100 to join, but it's very difficult to download the softwares. It's not easy. It's not easy. You gotta have some couple of knowledge, cause you don't have a lot of support from the vendor. He's cracking out softwares that he doesn't have time to respond. But if you want to join my team and everything, I would teach you. It's kind of, this one is the one that I'm using right now. My other PC on the back. It's Google search bot. I just put the keywords and everything, and that's it. Run it on autopilot 24/7. I have more like this one on YouTube. I have Ninja Blaster too. YouTube. There's a lot of shit right here. But you gotta be you gotta have some knowledge. If you just join like this, you're gonna have a lot of difficulty, difficulties on downloading the software. There's a lot of shit involved. The vendors always doesn't respond. Sometimes I have, like, if I'm interested in this, he doesn't work. I gotta tell them, hey, you give me an update or something, update it. He'll say yes, but he's too busy. Hey, there's a lot of softwares. Like half percent they work and half percent don't work. So I just want to keep you with that. You should like just go with YouTube, Facebook, and which one? SEO, my niche. But if you were into I don't know, Twitter, WhatsApp, they have everything right here. Skype, I don't know. Everybody's different. Everybody is different. I like pizza. Maybe you like I don't know, hot dogs or hamburgers, or chicken fries or whatever. Everybody's different. So yeah, on this right here, I'm gonna show you right here on this very quick rapid how I do it on my keywords. Just go right here. If you want to create like a YouTube video, just go how to make money online 2019. Search. If you're making a video, just copy all this and put it on your text. This is the most rankings on keywords on YouTube. Or go right here. What's it called? Answer. Answer the public. Just go right here and type whatever your niche. If you're making a YouTube video, type right here on how to make money online. I like this guy. I don't know why. He looks like grumpy, but cool. And it will give you all the keywords that you're supposed to put on tags right here. All this. You should go with how. This one. Boom. So you get ranked fast on YouTube. This one. I like all this one. How. Always people are looking for how to make money online, how to how to lose weight or whatever. So I'm gonna leave it with that. I just made it simple and easy. So you decide to take action with me or whatever, you can join. There's a lot of leaders online too. They're pretty good on softwares and everything, lead generation softwares. So I'm gonna leave it with that, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put this video on YouTube. So take care, people. See ya.